you both for being such good sports and sharing your embarrassing moment with us. Embarrassing moments, of course, are not limited by boundaries or borders. The scenes you're about to view come to us from British television shows, and they prove that once and for all, embarrassments are truly international.
How do you do that?
Outside that door now is a very famous, very distinguished actor.
Really?
Yes, and he's come along here especially to give me some valuable advice on acting.
Do me a favour, it's probably in the Meals on Wheels, lady. Want to know if you want a starter?
Well, we'll see, won't we? Right. Ooh.
Form an alliance with Russia, we must regard the introduction of compulsory conscription as a matter of the utmost urgency. And we must survive whatever the enemy may throw at us.
Very lucky there wasn't another one up the spouts.
How often do you make love to Jean?
Oh, I've never counted. 37 times. Oh, I'm sorry, I've got crap. No.
Tell me you love me.
In this serious, dramatic scene, the woman is supposed to shoot her lover.
Say it.
No, I won't say it, because it isn't true. Now, put that down, and, well, we...
Here now is a classic in British television.